Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today it is very cold and snowy outside, but also sunny, as you can see. It looks very nice. I love snow weather. I will show you a solution or some solutions that I found for technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that the solution or the solutions helped you right there, and if they did, please consider subscribing my channel. I would love it. Thank you. Bye.